Samsung made minor but key improvements to the Galaxy S23 Ultra's design this year. At first glance, the phone might look a lot like its predecessor, the S22 Ultra, but the squarish frame, flatter display, and the ever-so-slightly curved front and rear glass panels make the company's 2023 flagship a lot better to hold in hand. For the 2024 Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung might ditch the curves entirely and go with a flat screen and curved sides. Known for sharing information about upcoming Samsung devices, renowned leaker Ice Universe, based on some early data, claims the S24 Ultra might ditch the curved screen for good. Since the death of the Note lineup, Samsung has progressively made the display on its Ultra phones flatter than before. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is the perfect example of this. While it has a curved screen, the flat display area is bigger than previous flagship Galaxy phones. Coupled with curved sides, next year's Galaxy S24 Ultra could be easier to pick and hold than the S23 Ultra. One of the negatives of the flat display could be an increase in the phone's dimensions. At Universe asserts the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be 79mm wide, making it wider than the 78.1mm S23 Ultra. However, all these claims from the leaker are based on preliminary data, so it is best to take it with a pinch of salt unless other sources corroborate it. Samsung is rumored to switch to a titanium frame on the S24 Ultra, and despite this switch to a denser and more premium material, the phone could be lighter than the S23 Ultra. Another rumored upgrade in the pipeline is the switch to a 50MP 3x sensor that should help improve image quality for 3x to 9.9x photos. In several renders shared by ICE, the Galaxy S24 Ultra screen appears like a perfect rectangle, and its rounder frames make it look wider than it is. In contrast, a render of the iPhone 15 Ultra shows that Apple's phone will have a more manageable design. ICE has also cautioned users to avoid the black model render can be seen in the header photo, as it will apparently give an illusion of very thick bezels, especially when compared to top flagship phones from other companies such as Apple and Xiaomi. Some new information about the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 has been leaked, which confirms next year Galaxy S24 Ultra will be rocking the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, while Samsung is also planning the return of an Exynos 2400 for its S24 Ultra. We have wait and see as it's too early to predict the performance of both processors. Guys, if you want to know more about S24 Ultra, do consider subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace out.